you do garage music, mate? You do garage music? No. You got none of that urban, like soul, house and G. You do garage. What you call it? What you call it? Garage. Urban. What you call it? Urban. Two-step. What you call it? Two-step. Tell us what you call it. Garage. I don't care about garage. Listen to this, it don't sound like garage. Who told you that I made garage? Willie Cat's got his own sound, it's not garage. Make it in the studio and not in the garage. Here in London there's a sound called garage, but this is my sound, it sure ain't garage. I heard they don't like me in garage cause I use their scene to make my own sound. The Eskimo sound is mine, recognize it's mine. You can't claim what's mine, it's mine. Time to bait you up, I don't hate you, but some of you have got a problem. I'm putting you out of business, why is that a problem? What's your problem? What the heck, my name is Problem, remember? What you call it? Garage? What you call it? Garage? What you call it? Urban? What you call it? Urban? What you call it? Two-step? What you call it? Two-step? What you call it? Tell us what you call it then. Why do you think that I'm stupid? I got brains, I can never be stupid. You can never use my name to make your brains jam. I won't turn up or stay at home with a girl and jam. You can't threaten me with no bad man talk, I'm not scared. Sorry man, but I've been so much now I don't give a monkey's. Swing from tree to tree just like monkeys. Who influenced me to be funky? Who influenced me to make Esky beat? I make Esky girls and Esky boys move their feet to the sound. You can hear, I hear you try to stop my record sales, record deals, but the bell can't hold the wasting. If it gets too big and it's trembling, then pop, it blows up and we win. I'm winning, ready to say my goodbyes. Goodbye to the man who don't like me. Goodbye to the woman who don't like me. Goodbye to the fingers pointing at me. Goodbye to the promoters that hate me. Goodbye to the people that's hassling me, cause I'm turning over a new leaf. Get sharp like a knife on the sheath. Stay sharp like a knife, cutting beef. Cut the strings, there's no grief. If you don't cut the strings, there's more grief. See, I get the impression I'm not wanted, so I'm leaving the scene. That's what you wanted, that's what I wanted. I'm on my way now. Bismillah, I'm doing my thing now. To the fans, let's go. Everyone who likes this, let's go. Everyone who likes that, go that way. 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 Everyone who likes this, come this way. Come this way. Let's go 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 this way. I'm carrying weight, I break everybody down. Take everybody down. Any crew, any sound, any MC who's in my way, I break down. I can show you now, it's all changed round. I remember things were the other way round, but the world got colder and it changed round. I go to every man and it's all changed round. I want everybody to follow this sound, so don't deny the power of my empire. When I'm here, I strike back with my empire. No more Crusoe, what we got an empire. Roll deep empire, high flower, high power, yo. I'm a compulsory buyer. Go to the shops and I spend them, buy what I want, and this is Roll Deep Empire. If you work hard, then you can be a buyer like me.
Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, lovey-dovey with the hoes. I'll put you in your place, for real. You disrespect the clique. Bang, bang, dang, dang on my little B shit. From Soho to the Heights, they're fucking with me heavy. They know me and my gang, with the realest on the telly. Yeah, they say for the pot, not even for the clock.
So many people.
Not even for the
So many bloody people.
Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, say they safe for the block. Not even for the cops, say they safe. You been ducking for me, shawty. 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 You been ducking for me, shawty.
Fucking hell. That was insane. Insane.
Alright, let's get serious right now because there is £1,000 on this check. And it is going to Barack Obama! 1,000 Skrilla. Go get a Stu-Man backpack as well. Oh yes! There he is, your winner. Check out that cash money roll of dollars. Show us the check, man. Show us the check.
Money.
1,000